try to make things last. Don't think about the time when we first kissed and you said, oh, moving way too fast. Don't think about the time that we have to try to make things right. You and I both know we'd always get into little fights. Love is not the best thing for us now. It's not the best thing for us now. So I'ma break it up with you somehow. Stars will shine for you another day, another day. I'ma try and love you some other way. I know I'm not ready for love, for love, for love, for love. My heart, it should have been enough for you. Get on with your life. She said, wanna be my wife. I said, gotta make this right before I get back on my feet. My feet, get back on my feet. 'Cause love is not the best thing for us now. It's not the best thing for us now. So I'ma make it up with you somehow. Stars will shine for you another day, another day. So I'ma try and love you some other way. About breaking up, think about you and me making love. Think about the Lord above, and thank Him for the gift of love. And you and I, we gotta split apart, take our own journey through the door. Now the time, you got to be strong. Just make sure your love carries on. Love is not the best thing for us now. Love is not, love is not, love is not. Stars will shine for you,